Guys, that's Pepper, guys. That's my dog. Yeah, he's a good dog. I'm recording him on YouTube. Yeah. It's fun, actually. He's a great dog, guys. He likes to play and stuff. He likes the water, if you can tell. I'm just gonna be recording him from now on. Come on, Pepper. You got this. You're okay, buddy. I'm actually recording you on YouTube. Pepper! You're getting it stuck. You're getting it stuck, buddy. Hey guys, that's my dog. That is my dog. Like this video. I want 5,000 likes. 5,000. There. Alright, 5,000 likes, guys. 5,000 likes. Whoever comments what I should do with my dog. Like, if I should, like, play with him and stuff inside the pen, then that's what I'm gonna do. But if you guys don't just want me to keep vlogging him and stuff and more videos, then I'm gonna keep doing that. So, guys, I want to know right now if I should keep vlogging him in more videos, or if I should just be inside his pen and stuff. So guys, have fun. I'm gonna let you watch my dog play around. Pepper! Pepper! Pepper, look at the camera! Look at the camera, I'm recording you! Pepper! You're getting muddy, buddy! Are you trying to show off, buddy? Yeah, you're trying to show off, aren't you? He's trying to show off, guys. See? He's trying to show off. He likes playing over that ball. It's almost tore up. It looks like Pac-Man. It looks like Pac-Man. Pepper, you made a mini Pac-Man. Pepper, you made a mini Pac-Man. Pepper, you made Pac-Man. Pepper, you made Pac-Man. Pepper, you made Pac-Man. How could you? You destroyed Pac-Man. You destroyed Pac-Man. You're gonna kill Pac-Man soon. Or are you killing Pac-Man, Pepper? Pepper, don't kill Pac-Man. He's my buddy. Pepper, don't kill Pac-Man. Yeah, he's like some water. He's thirsty, guys. He's thirsty. He's like, alright, I'm done here, guys. You have fun. Oh, he loves this. Pepper, look at the camera. Look. You see the camera, don't you? Alright, guys, I'm going to end this video right here. See ya in the next one. Peace.